Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change currency on Steam. For that, make sure you already have the application on your PC and you are logged in. Now at this home page at the top, you can see the option community. You have to click over there. Now here you can see various options. All you have to do is click on my account. Again, you will be led to this kind of interface. All you have to do is scroll down a bit, and at the first you can see the option manage account details. You have to click over there. Now you can see that your currency will be according to the country that you have chose. You can't change your currency directly, but you can update your store country. For that, you can see the option over here. You have to click over there. Here you can see that your country is part of your Steam account settings. Your country setting affects what you see on the Steam store, the currency you see prices in, and the currency of your wallet. If you have moved to a new country or are living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country settings when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that country. If your location differs from your current Steam account store country settings, you'll have an option to change your store region while you view your cart or as you complete your purchase. If you are unable to complete a purchase using a payment method from the region you have moved to, please contact Steam support. Now, this means you can't change your country directly, but what you can do is they'll give you an option to change your store region while you view your cart and after you complete your purchase. At that time, you can change the region or the country that you are living in and check out, and this way you can change your currency on Steam. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.